Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901 6CDTIBT 120 S ecoFLEX L2H1. Body white panel van. Mileage 167690. MOT the 16th of March 2025. Engine 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S SE5. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Runs great. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 4 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.